nice boundary wall being traced along here. And you know, I was just trying to find some real decent evidence of domestic archaeology from the Iron Age, and we're sort of seeing a wall sweeping in here, and this is actual proof that they actually had chairs in the Iron Age. So you've got an Iron Age, possible Iron Age building, and amazing enough, because it is the Iron Age and those are iron framed chairs, this is categoric evidence that the design of this chair was developed in the Iron Age, because these chairs have been here over 2,300 years, and this is proof that this is not only an Iron Age building. We know it's an Iron Age building because we've got the Iron Age chairs. This is Neil Malem speaking for the Glamorgan-Gwent Archaeological Trust on the 1st of April, and again, Glamorgan-Gwent Archaeological Trust proof that the Iron Age, they did have iron chairs.